room 4272 in Jambo House, and this is a Savanna View hotel room. It's not a DVC room. So let's take a little tour and talk about how this is different from a DVC studio. Over here you have a full-length mirror. We have a little closet wardrobe over here with coat hangers on this side. And on this side, we have a safe, a steamer, no iron or ironing board, extra pillow blanket, little storage down here. There's no kitchenette. So we have an ice bucket and cups, a Keurig coffee maker as opposed to a regular coffee maker. And we have some little coffee supplies, some K-cups, creamer, to-go cups. Down under here, we have just one of these beverage chillers. It's not a real refrigerator with a freezer compartment. It's really just made to keep your drinks cold. It's not really for keeping food cold. Over here in the bathroom, you still have a makeup mirror and you have a double sink. We have a hair dryer, some different amenities, a walk-in shower with the toiletries on the wall, toilet, more towels, luggage stand. You have 2 queen beds in a standard Disney hotel room as opposed to 1 bed in either a Murphy bed or a pull-out sofa in a DVC studio. You have tables on either side of the beds for your stuff. I hate it when there isn't a table on both sides of the bed because we both wear glasses and we have phones and it's just convenient. So we have a little nightstand in the middle with some USB plugs. Oh, this is how you turn on these 3 lights. I couldn't figure out, there were no switches on them, but there's little lights around the beds. And we have a little eating area, sitting area for 2, a dresser with plenty of drawers, so you got a lot of storage space, nice big TV. And then out here, we have our Savanna view. And there's no animals out right now. There were some giraffes out a minute ago, and I'll show you that. Nice patio with a table, 2 chairs. So, not as many amenities as you'll find in a DVC studio, unfortunately, and that's why so many people prefer the DVC studios to the hotel rooms. But they put us in this room because they're doing some maintenance on the value studios, so they offered us this Savanna View hotel room for no extra charge. So it's a really nice room, but I still prefer a DVC studio, and I think most people do too.